Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix mic issue in the Zoom. So first of all, make sure that your mic have no fault. So if it's working, you have to follow the other step. Maybe these step help you to fix your mic problems. First of all, make sure your mic is not mute. If your mic on the screen have red line like this, you have to unmute your mic. And other way is that go to the settings and click on the meeting, and from here you have to turn off this toggle off, right, like this if it's turned on. And the other way is that make sure you give the access to your mic through your phone. Simply open your apps and the notification, and after that from here you have to click on the Zoom and go to the permissions, and from here you have to give the access. Click on the allow. So in this way you can solve the mic problem on the Zoom. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.